Hello and welcome back to my channel. Let's make this beautiful princess gown together. I have already drawn out the bust line, the under bust line and the waistline. So what I'm doing right now is we're dividing the waistline by 4. So every measurement that you do, make sure that you divide by 4. So I'm placing that down for this particular dress. So you measure that by 4. So the nipple to nipple point is 8. That 8 is divided by 2, which is 4. So I'm marking out the 4 from the bust line to the under bust line and the waistline. So I'll be drawing a straight line linking those points together. Then measure 1 inch downwards, 1 inch inwards, and 2 inch outwards, following the line. So that is going to form the curve of our bust. So it is this dart to make the princess dart. So just follow the video and you'll see how I've made 1 inch in, 1 inch in from the nipple to nipple line, and then 2 inches out. Then make sure that anytime that as you have removed that 3 inches, make sure that you increase it on the waistline so that when you are cutting it, it would fit with the normal measurement of the dress. So you draw a curve linking those points together. Okay, I already have a stencil for my shoulder, so I do not want to spend time calculating the shoulder for this dress, so I'll just put that in, and the neckline. So as you draw the shoulder, is always very simple. You come down by like 2 millimeters, and then you measure 8 millimeters down. Then that means the 2 millimeters is for the slanting. So right now I'm putting in the depth for the how do I call it, armhole depth, so that the dress can actually be really curved. So just follow the video and see how I'm doing. Not too much talking, everything is well detailed on the video. I don't need to talk too much. But if you have any questions or any doubts about anything, make sure that you comment, you tell me in the comment section, and I'll be able to give you a more detailed explanation. It's just that I feel like this video is very clear. You can see everything that is being done. How to draft a basic bodice, a basic, how did I even call this one? It's a bodice, yeah. So okay, now this particular dab that I'm putting on the curve, on the chest line curve, is very important, because if you don't do that, it is going to curve upwards. It's not going to curve and come downwards when you finish your dress. So always make sure that you add this particular dab that I'm adding right now. So do that and you'll be clear. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please make sure to subscribe. We'll just continue like this till the end of the video. This video is to show you how to draft this particular dress. This is the front that I'm cutting out right now. First, I'm going to show you how to cut the back. Then I'm going to transfer these drafts on the material, and you will see how it is being done on the material. So, and I'm not going to bore you with the sewing in this video, so just watch till the end and see every step by step. The video is a bit long because the process, you cannot rush it. You just need to be patient and follow the process.
Keeping up with Goya, where fashion meets you. Step in the light, glow like a star. Style, beauty, I've come so far. From my world to yours, come along, this is my life. Welcome to the glam zone. Oh. Fashion, beauty, vibe and glow. Every day I steal the show. Red gold shine, you know. This is where the magic flows. With Goya, always flavor. keeping up with Goya, where fashion meets you. Step in the light, glow like a star. Style, beauty, I've come so far. From my world to yours, come along. This is my life. Welcome to the glam zone. Oh, oh. Fashion, beauty, vibe, and glow. Every day I steal the show. Click, oh, shine, you know. This is where the magic flows. With Korea, always labor. With Korea, always labor.
For the back, I'm using half sheet because my sheets got a bit finished because I had so many other dresses to draft. So okay, so right now I'm putting the drafts on the shoulder, the back shoulder. I first of all put it on the midline, dividing the back in the middle there. This one now, because your back is not just straight like a plank, it curves a bit inside, so that line is to show you that going down is going to curve and go down. So there is your back is not just straight like a plank, your back curves a bit. So all these drafts that I'm drawing right now and I'm trying to cut out, it is to show the curve that your back usually takes. So mostly it is 0.5 inch that I'm taking off, so it's not too much. You can see that one, that place there is 0.5, not 1 inch, 0.5 inch. So you will see when I will join the dart together, you see the curve that your back normally makes. Your back is not just straight. That's why at times you might sew a dress and you realize that the back does not really stand very well because our backs budge a bit because it's not just straight. So this is what you're seeing I'm doing.
Every day I steal the show. Click, oh, shine, you know. This is where the magic flows. With Korea, always labor. With Korea, always labor.
Let's now transfer our drawings on the material. You see, doing like that, and when you are transferring it, make sure that you add allowance because when you are drawing the draft, when I always draw mine, I don't always add the allowance. So because I know that when I will be about to cut on the material, then that is when I'm going to add the allowance, so that if there is anything, then I clear it off. So this is the arm, and now let me cut the next part. This is it, and let's join it together. I'm not going to bore you with the sewing, so you're just going to see the end product. So this is exactly how it's been done. Thank you very much for watching. Just stay tuned till the end. Please stay tuned to the end and make sure to comment.
Click, oh, shine, you know. This is where the magic flows. With Korea, always labor. With Korea, always labor. This is keeping up with Goya, where fashion meets you. Step in the light, glow like a star. Style, beauty, I've come so far. From my world to yours, come along. This is my life. Welcome to the glam zone.